Service in Burlington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Essex County in northern New York, Addison County in central Vermont until 5:30 p.m. At 4:18 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing 1-inch diameter hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. The storm was near Chilson, moving northeast at 25 miles per hour. Locations in the warning include but are not limited to Crown Point Center, Mariah, Shoreham, DAR State Park, Bridport, Middlebury, East Middlebury, Vergennes, New Haven, Moncton, Bristol. This severe thunderstorm is also producing deadly cloud-to-ground lightning. When you can do so safely, please report damaging winds or hail to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 1-800-863-4279 or by submitting a storm report at weather.gov/Burlington. Get to safety immediately when threatening weather approaches. Winds may knock down trees and power lines and damage buildings. Large hail may cause injury and damage property. A severe thunderstorm watch remains in effect until 9 p.m. Sunday evening for northern New York and Vermont. Here are the 4 p.m. observations. In Burlington,